Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkoye, aka Ndi Naija. Ja. It's that time again. It's a haul from PlannerKate. I'm gonna take stuff out of the box and come back to you guys in 1 minute. Okay, party people. First off, items that are not kits. I'll begin with the sampler. I got 4. Is that the new thing? I thought PlannerKate normally gives 5 free items in the sampler. Either way, these are great. Bildew, flags. I love these push pins, and then some boxes. And then I got some stuff like for the month and redating stuff. These are being phased out, and I think these are the Bloom monthly modifiers. I use these to redate my months from a Sunday start to a Monday start. So I got 2 of those, and this in the same colorway. And then I got this You Can Do Hard Things sticker sheet. And there's a cancel that. I've been running out of cancellations. And I got 10-minute tidy because I'm trying to do that as a habit. Yes, I know. You might wonder, well, why? Why, you're an adult. Does somebody have to tell you to do a 10-minute tidy? No, because I won't. Because I won't, or because it's more fun to put a sticker when I say, you know what? I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to sit down. And then as I'm sitting down, getting bored, then I'm like, hey, what do I have to do? Look into my planner. There's a 10-minute tidy on there. And I get to do the 10-minute tidy and check it off. Win-win. All right, next thing. Next item is kit 726. And I believe this is a June kit. But I arranged it in order. Yes, it is a June kit. I arranged it in order from the A all the way, in alphabetical order. So these are the boxes. I love these square boxes instead of the old boxes used to be about this big. But I like this size and the fact that you have more of these other ones. So that's the full boxes, the square full boxes. And I got washi because it's so beautiful and colorful. Rainbow is my favorite color. So spread love, not hate. You have the weekend, and this is the weekly sampler, which can be used for a wide variety of planners. And then you have the hourly, Plum vertical, and EC A5 horizontal. I'm not even sure why I got this one because I don't exactly have an hourly planner for 2025-2026, but my current planner goes through July of 2025, which is kind of odd. All right, and now this is the functional kit. Why am I holding that? This is the functional sheet G. It's got days. It's got, I love these hand-drawn sticker types. You got some meals, you've got some to-do boxes, you've got some important with, of course, the push pin, and you have a few habits, and you've got the days here that you can use for that. Or you could use something else. This is the journaling kit. This is number 1. Love these washi. Oh, it's so colorful. Oh, man. Oh, this is good. Oh, this is good. Oh, look at that. It looks like strips of paper and rainbow. Have I told you guys how much I love rainbow? Ooh, you know what this looks like to me? Hold on. And I just so happen to have it here. Haha, look at that. Look at the resemblance. Look at the material. Look at the interior. If you're on Twitter a lot, you'll get that reference. But yeah, that looks very much like one of the old EC covers. And rainbow, of course. So this is journaling sheet number 2. And these are the journaling labels. Man, with these small stickers, you can use them in a small planner. If you've got a pocket size planner, I mean, you may not be able to use these in a pocket size, but I'm sure you can use these in a pocket size. And this is the month view. So this is sheet 1 and this is sheet 2. And I got these for my Plum paper. My new EC planner, I would just use one of these. Where's that? Oops. One of the previous ones that I showed you guys. So this is sheet 1. Got Monday through Sunday. The days, of course, like you guys know, I'm a Monday start girly. So my planner already starts on Monday, so it'll just be easy to keep. And then this is sheet 2. And of course, monthly labels. And this is the washi for the covers for the days. Individual headers in A02. Ooh, this is different. So one has the colorful days and the other has the black. I think I like this one. I feel like this one is more bold. Okay, and then we've got doodles. I got 2 of those. In my mind, these are doodles also, but they are black and white icons. Bold scripts was A09. A010 was mixed scripts. Oop, got a weather alert. I don't know if you guys can hear the rain. Hope it's not too loud, but we'll see. All right, I don't recall where I stopped, but I'll find out. We've got black and white icons. We've got bold scripts. I really like this. I like the bold scripts, but I really miss the larger bold scripts. We've got mixed scripts, and then we have the neutral dashboard, which is 05. I know I arranged this in, I tried to arrange it in order. It was a little difficult, and then we got, a little bit of a mix here. Okay, next kit coming right up. The next kit is the July Plum Paper monthly kit, and that's in the neutral version. We've got the monthly dashboard insert. I got the lines. We have the monthly labels, and these are the July highlights. Yes, I will do a plan with me, and I'll likely do one for June, because it's my birthday month. I'll do one for June to show you how I use these stickers. And then we also have the this is the first page. So this is 01 and this is 02. I like the pirate theme. The next kit is kit 732, and this is the new layout for the dashboard planner. I bought sheets 1 and 2, and it's -1 and -2. And I'll show you guys how I plan on using this. Last week I used my an existing kit for the hourly planner for the sample of the dashboard. Or is it? It's in my bag, which is downstairs. But I'll show you how this kind of comes together. Are these individual? These are not individuals. So this likely covers the notes page that has the notes section that has lines. There are two spots. And then we've got Monday through Sunday. This week, priorities, habits to do, notes. I like that she gave us this that has the grid that covers the blank spot, that blank priority spot. And then, of course, you could cover your habits, or you could put them in a different location. And then you have these stickers that kind of follow what I was thinking. You could use half of the sheet. Let me just open it from this planner that I have not used yet. So see how this would cover half of the page or of the block, and then these longer stickers would cover the whole thing. I'll do another plan with me if you guys want, if you guys ask for it. All right, so that's that kit. Let's get to the next one. Next kit is a monthly kit, and this is one of the create your own months, and it's kit 733. And camping. I'm thinking that we should use this for July in this planner that I just showed you. That's what I'm thinking, but I'm not sure. July, August, one of the two. And then I bought the large months. I love these. I have a lot of these now. Next is Kit 734, and this is the one that I guess I went nuts on a little bit. All right, so we've got weather, journaling labels. I love these. And then the dashboard. Then where is the page 1 of the dashboard? The colorway is just so bellissimo to me. And now, oh great, yes. So I got some stickers for my Plum Paper Daily. Of course, these two. This is their sampler. Can be used in any planner, so I figured why not. And then also for the Plum Daily. I haven't done a plan with me for my Plum Paper Daily. Do you guys want to see one? Drop it in the comments if you guys want to see a plan with me for the Plum Daily. Or maybe I should do that as a live. I should do that as a live, maybe. Okay. And then this is the first page for the dashboard planner. So, you know, it's got this beautiful washi. Your bullets. Are these individual? Ooh, there are a couple of the bullets that are individual. So these right here are individual bullets. These flags are, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are, you know, joined. Let me show you that. So yeah, these are joined. These are single. And these, what is this? Are these single or these are joined? These are joined. So this is a long sheet. No, it's not a long sheet. This is 2 sheets. It stops right here. There. And thankfully, PlannerKate uses repositionable stickers, so you can just put them back. Put them back. Okay. Monday through Sunday, this week, priorities, habits, to do notes, your boxes. So these two are for the dashboard. This is the notes companion. And I suspect that we can use the notes companion page as an alternative to buying the dashboard stickers. So if you like a certain colorway, perhaps you can just use this, or the way I plan to use this is for my notes page for my monthly. So either way. And then you've got another weekly kit that's functional here. And then you've got the full boxes. You've got the Plum Daily boxes and the Plum Daily date headers. So that's all I got for stickers, you guys. What did you get for June and July? Are you ready to start your new planner? Drop me a comment and please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you with more planning stuff. Bye!